ended up taking 4 trades on the day and taking profit with 1 to 2 micros on each trade, with 2 other trades being break even. The first trade, I started a short at 20,040, ended up riding that short for about 4 minutes, selling for a 30-point gain at 20,010. Waited for the next opportunity and trade setup, ended up getting a bounce off the 21 EMA. I bought in with 2 contracts at 20,022. Rode them contracts, selling one at the previous high. I trailed it all the way to 20,086 for a 60-point gain, profiting over $200 on 2 micro contracts when other people can't even make that on minis. The last 2 trades were uneventful, just both break-even trades. This one I took a short a little late, no volatility, just market chopping. Ended up taking the trade and stopping out for break-even. The other trade, I took a short at this high, held for a bigger break, and ended up stopping out for break-even again. The rest of the market was chopping, so I ended stream, and of course, you know how it goes. As soon as I end, the big move came. I guess Trump talked, there was a tweet, something happened. All in all, ended the day $263 in the green, profit, ready for tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. See you there.